Hey guys, thought I'd give you a quick little update. Today is the 31st of January. I wanted to wait a little bit later till after the close. As I said before, several days ago, we're approaching a pivotal time here. So I drew a few levels for you guys to get an understanding. As you can see, we've still got our triangle that is in play here. And again, guys, we're talking about the 4-hour time frame on Bitcoin, of course. Um, what we've got going here, if you notice the top of this triangle line, is turning into possibly a support line as well. So um, we broke out of our triangle, as I did tell you before. I said sometimes we can move up, quick move up, and then a lot of times come back and fail. So short term, we kind of have a fail here. You know what I mean? We've broken out of the confines of the triangle and back through it here. But notice that we stopped right here at that 32,625 area that I mentioned before. And of course, we then bounced back up to this 34.5 area. And we came back down. You can see it again at the 32,625 area. So there's a couple things in play right here. I just want to go through this level real quick. We got 41.5 here. We've got about 39,000, say 750 thereabouts. And then we've got 37.7 and 34.5. So that in mind, bottom here, of course, is the 30,000 area that we talked about. So this right now is the bottom of our triangle. And what we want to do now is we're still waiting to see what the trend is going to be again with the pivotal movements. Our upper level here is at 33,700. This is the number that's really starting to come into play right now. You notice we've taken a nice little move up there, which is pretty cool. Again, I just wanted to cover the descending triangle that we talked about before, as well as we'll go into the death cross here in just a minute as well. But again, on the daily time frame, I want to point something out to you guys. A couple scenarios may play out here. Okay, again, we're still thinking about the death cross going down. Again, we'll leave that to last. But here's the thing. Notice we've come down now, and we have formed what could, in fact, be a double bottom here. You see, so we've come back up and we tested that 34.5, which is now becoming the neckline possibly. So in order to get higher prices and maybe get up to what I would say next target of 37.7, that area that I mentioned, we're going to have to break this 34,500 area. So right now, what's the scenario? We can get something like this and then go ahead and just pull through there up to that 37.7 area, possibly. Again, we don't know just yet because we could have the scenario where this just comes down like this, hits our, and I've drawn a parallel channel for you guys just to get an idea of what's kind of forming here. So we could come down here, maybe pull a scenario up like this and then back down, into lower levels. But again, on the upside, got to get to 34.5. That's the neckline. 37.7 would be our next target. And down below that 30,200 area has got a hold as well. Now, I wanted to just touch base on the going back to the 4-hour time frame, give you an idea here. Do the trend lines again. Remember, here we had our death cross, okay, at approximately the 33,000 area. So if you notice here, guys, I'll zoom in a little bit for you so you can kind of get an idea. Notice we're still pretty much in the parameters of the triangle. We're kind of moving up through that just a bit right now. But again, you can see that this is a supports and resistances that I had drawn several days ago. Notice that we're sitting there kind of topping out in this area here, and then we've rolled back down, like I said. So really, we've got to get to this neckline. This 34.5 really is up in this area. But again, I'm saying this because I'm just simply trying to point out this death cross, guys. If you see this here, I would say 98%, that scenario is going to end up playing itself out. So, but we do have the bounce down here, and we did stop at the bottom of our triangle. That's what makes this interesting and a little bit unpredictable. However, this usually will play out. So we'll probably have something like this, and if we cannot break that 34.5, I'm telling you, we're probably going to head back down and test this lower level again. So that's really the best update that we have, guys. Again, I waited till after the close because we got a pivotal time coming. So Remember, today is the last day of the month, and we're getting into February. It's going to be a very important month, I'll tell you, because that's either the 10th or the 11th month that we've had an uptrend, and that's why I said we're going to watch closely the next couple days. Just give you a brief update, guys, let you know what's going on. We see our trend, our triangle has not really been breached other than this, but that really is the short fill. Other than that, we're pretty much in the parameters still, and I'll keep you updated. But for right now, pivotal moment coming in the next few days, I tend to believe. Okay, so with that in mind, guys, I hope this helps you. If you like what you see, please share, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And with that in mind, everybody have a good night.